Croque Monsieur. Ingredients: 1½ teaspoon salted butter, 1½ teaspoon unbleached all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup milk, half a teaspoon salt, pinched ground white pepper, pinched nutmeg, 2 to 3 tablespoons Gruyère, Emmental, or Swiss cheese, shredded, 4 thick slices French or sourdough bread, Dijon mustard, 2 slices cooked ham, 4 ounces Gruyère, Emmental, or Swiss cheese, sliced. Instructions: preheat your oven broiler to medium-high. To make the bechamel sauce, in a small saucepan, melt butter, whisk in flour and cook 1 minute over medium-low heat. Add milk, slowly, whisking to incorporate the flour mixture evenly into the milk. Increase heat to medium and heat mixture, stirring constantly until thickened, 2 to 3 min closing parenthesis. Season with salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Whisk in shredded cheese until melted and smooth. Remove sauce from heat. Place the 4 slices of bread on a baking sheet and broil for 2–3 minutes, until toasted. Remove bread from the oven. Spread a layer of Dijon mustard over the softer side of 2 of the slices of toast. Top each with a slice of ham and cheese. Return the 2 topped slices to the oven and broil 1 to 2 minutes until the cheese has melted. Top with a final slice of toasted bread, and cover each sandwich in bechamel sauce. Return the sandwiches to the oven, and broil 3–4 minutes, until sauce is bubbly and golden. Serve warm.